Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-802-STATIC-KEY-W-MASTER-IN with a secondary DC-802-4W system IN static display. This order is going out to Constellium Muscle Shoals, which is an aluminum manufacturing that makes aluminum sheets for package and automotive companies. And what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to display the size in which to make their production pallets or their aluminum sheets, and it could also be used to display a specific number so that the workers know what number of products need to be made. How it works is the client types in the number via our keypad, and the enclosure displays the number on both the master and the secondary units. So quickly going over the functions on how this unit is meant to work. We originally had both these units displaying 25 and we just switched it back to 0. So we're going to add in a different number. So as you can see right now, both these units are wired directly to each other, meaning they're going to transfer information to and from each other. One is the master and the other is a secondary. And we also have our keypad here that is wireless, and it can be operated at a range of 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in a number. So let's just say we want to have 58 products made. So in that case, we just press the set button right here. And as you can see, the units are flashing. This means we are able to type in our number. So we're going to type in 58. And then we're going to press enter to set our number. And that is all there is to it. It will display the static number of 58 until we press the set button again and switch it to a different number. So going over the hardware aspect of this model, this enclosure is a tough extruded aluminum that is black powder coated, making it fingerprint and dust resistant. Its display size is 8 inches and they can both be viewed up to a total of 400 feet away. The number of digits that each unit has is 2 digits, and they can display a grand total of 99. The power type that each unit is powered by is a 120 VAC power cord that is 6 feet long, and it is grounded directly into the enclosure. For mounting, we have our C-channel mounting for both units, and they can be mounted to any sturdy surface such as a concrete wall or a sturdy post. And lastly, for accessories, we have our 24-button keypad controller that is wireless and can be operated up to a total of 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors, as I've stated before. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-802-STATIC-KEY-W-MASTER-IN with a DC-802-4W system IN secondary that is used for displaying the number of aluminum sheets in production pallets. Thanks for watching.